This is what colonialism left behind. Not just flags and borders, but systems designed to extract. Global banks, mostly based in the West, still decide who gets loans and on what terms. Much of Africa's debt today came from deals made during or right after colonial rule. China has now stepped in, not with colonies, but with contracts. They build roads, railways, and ports, but many of these deals come with high interest and long-term control over key assets. The school systems still teach European history first. Courts still use European laws. Power is still tied to European languages like English, French, and Portuguese. This is not just history. This is now. Europe may not rule the land anymore, but it still controls the wealth beneath it, the systems around it, and the profits that come from it. Was Africa the only target in Europe's global takeover? Africa was not alone. The same strategy Europe used to conquer Africa was used across the world. In India, Britain ruled for over 200 years. They controlled the land, the resources, and the people. While Indians starved, British ships exported grain and wealth back to Europe. In Vietnam, Cambodia, and Laos, the French ran the plantations, collected the taxes, and called it empire. They used labor, forced loyalty, and harsh punishments to keep control. In Indonesia, the Dutch dominated the islands for over 300 years. They took spices, sugar, coffee, and more. They kept the people working and the profits flowing back to Europe. In the Middle East, after the fall of the Ottoman Empire, Britain and France drew new borders. They divided the land and installed rulers who would protect European oil interests. Those lines still cause conflict today. In the Americas, Spain and Portugal were the first to arrive. Britain and France followed. They stole land, enslaved millions, and built wealth off sugar, tobacco, and cotton. In the Caribbean, plantations powered Europe's rise.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.